And go.
Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is Grady-White's 251 Coastal Explorer. Super nice bay boat. The ride on these boats is unbelievable. You owe it to yourself to get in one of these and take it for a sea trial. See why the Grady-White is such a sought-after hull. We're going to start in the back of this boat here. Now, we're outside with this boat, so I don't have all the cushions on top of here, but this is all comes with cushions back here, but I want you to be able to see how good of a fishing boat this is too. But if you're not fishing, if you're cruising around, you've got a cushion backrest as well as a cushion bottom, and it goes all the way across right there. But if you're fishing, just fold that down. Look at the size of the casting platform you've got back here in the back, all the way port to starboard. Nice big casting platform. As we work our way forward on here, this has got the leading post with the live well in it. So that seat flips up and we've got a huge live well underneath the seat. Plenty of room on the dash for your multifunction display. We don't put them on there because we want you to choose. You want Garmin, you want Raymarine, what do you want? What size screen you want? We're gonna let you make that decision instead of already having something on there that maybe you don't want. Beautiful color T-top on here. You've got a upper box right up here for if you want to put your VHF radio up there. Look at the finish work that Grady-White does. Just absolutely stunning, the extra amount of effort that they go through to make their boats better than the competition. Great place to put your hat, your wallet, your car keys, that kind of stuff. Moving over to the starboard side, you've got this is the head compartment. Lots of rod holders on this boat. You look at here, you got rod holders, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. You had all the rod holders in the back. You've also got right here another cooler up in the front of the boat so that you don't have to run back to the back. You want to put a fish in there if you just need a place up forward to put your cold drinks. But again, look at this. Look at the size of the casting platform up here. Already pre-rigged for your trolling motor. If you want to hop off on shore somewhere, look at the nice beach boarding ladder that you've got on here. Pop-up cleats, drink holder, drink holder, drink holder, all stainless steel. Really nice boat, great cruise around boat, great family boat, but best of all, it's an awesome fishing boat. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call today.